Look what finally came in the mail, guys. My silver play button. Okay, what is this? Congratulations. This is pretty bittersweet, guys, because every goddamn video I post is being... Oh, man. Whoa, hold up. Yo, that's sick. Bay Legacy, 100,000 subs. Look at that. They set this in this little letter here. Your fans, blah, blah, blah. Maybe if they could stop flagging my videos made for kids. Oh, man. Bay Legacy, 100K, baby. Road to 1 mil. Oh, shoot. All right, we did it, guys. 100K subs. Hopefully we can get to 1 million. Sadly, with YouTube, they are flagging every Beyblade video pretty much as made for kids. So what I'm going to do is adapt. I'm going to start posting travel type videos, like going to Japan, bay hunting in Japan, Hong Kong, these types of places, showcasing stuff like the origins of Beyblade. Move up a little bit. Okay. What else would I be doing? Majority of my Beyblade unboxing, stuff like that, will be posted on TikTok and Instagram. My craziest, like, dangerous type videos will be posted on Instagram. Some of them will be on YouTube. Not on TikTok. TikTok threatens to ban me every, like, couple days. My account's in the red zone on TikTok because of those videos. So pretty much that's what we're going to be doing. If you guys enjoy my videos, please subscribe and look out. I'm going to be increasing the quality of the videos. I've been doing very lazy work with YouTube so far, but it's going to get a lot better. So thank you guys for watching, and 100K, baby.